Hey guys, sorry my phone cut off. But we did open this one, and here's our little Mickey squishy. And I'll show you again all the ones you can collect. And I have this one, this burger, and I have the pancakes. And here's our Mickey. These are so cute and squishy. We're gonna put that to the side. Let's open Mini. I'll show you all the ones you can get. I have this one, this one. This one, I don't think I have that one. This one, and now I have this one. Let's open it. Oh, look at that. The stick is actually hard, but the ice cream is real soft. And it smells funny. Whoa. But yeah, the stick is hard. The only thing hard on it is this stick, and I don't like that. But it's alright. But the ice cream is soft, see? Look at that ice cream. It's squishy, but you can feel it stick right here. But it's pretty, look. It says Minnie on it. It's got her bow and stuff. Cute. Okay, let's open the putty. This is unicorn putty. Unicorn putty. So unicorn putty. What is that? I don't know what that is. Whatever. Let me see. How do you open this? Oh, there it is. This is unicorn putty. It's real cute too. Keep that in the lid. It's like dried up putty, so I'll put that over there. And here is what it looks like before I take it out. Here's the unicorn. See the unicorn? Okay, let's take the putty out. Let's take the unicorn out. I'm gonna take this unicorn. Oh, this unicorn is pretty and heavy. Kind of heavy. Okay. There. We get as much putty as we could out of here. Off the unicorn. Here is our unicorn. Cute. Pink unicorn. We're gonna put her back in the putty. So I'm done. See, putty rips. It's not like slime, it rips. But it is pretty. And look at that. It's got glitter. If you can see the glitter in it. See all that glitter? It's pretty. Okay, now I'm going to put our unicorn back in there. It's in the middle. Okay, whatever. It's going to go in there. Yeah, hopefully make itself look good. And it comes in this cute little clear container. There we go. And it's back in there, see? This, and here's our unicorn. Pretty. So we're going to put that over there. Now we're going to open the Shopkin. I want to show you the packaging because last time I didn't have the packaging. So here's the packaging. On the side it says Shopkins, Squeezables, Squeakins, Squeezekins. This is cheeky chocolate. Cheeky chocolate. So I'm going to get the tape from off of it. I want to show you this bottom packaging. Now, here's the front, here's the side with some of them. Now I'm gonna tell you the ones you can get. Here it says you can get the Delish Donut, Cupcake Queen, Apple Blossom, Wishes, which we already have Wishes, Candy Kisses, Bubbles. And on the other side you can get Cheeky Chocolate, Melanie Pibbs, Cotton Candy, Strawberry Kiss, Pineapple Crush, and Cookie. So this packaging is really cute. We'll put the packaging over there because you know we're going to keep that. Take that out. And, ooh, he feels different than the other one. And it says there's hidden surprises in here. So inside there's hidden surprises. Ooh, it stinks like plastic or something. And inside it kind of looks, oh look, there's one. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, there's another one. There's a little, it looks like a little purple heart. And here's a pink, there's a couple pink ones. Oh, there we go. There's a pink one and a present. Can you see that, guys? A purple heart there. pink one there, another purple one there, and this looks like a present. Now this looks like slime inside, dude. Guys, this is awesome. I want to show you. See, look. It's all glitter, and it looks like glittery slime. And there's the present. You guys can see it a little better. The present is right there, that orange thing. I think it's a present. Yeah, it's a present. So this is cool. It's not an actual squishy like the squishy, like mini, the squishy. It's more like a jelly fill. And the surprises are in the inside of it, but you don't take them out. The surprises, you keep them in cheeky chocolate. And look, that's the slime inside. It's cool. I'll put it by the speaker, guys, so you can hear it. But it's cute. Look, it's cute. Okay, now let's open this slime. This is cool because it comes in with add-ins. You can add your own add-ins. This one has looks like little Oreos, and this one has lots and lots of stars. That one I'm kind of scared to open because I don't want the stars to get everywhere. I'm gonna open up this here slime. It's called Mix-In Slime. Mix-In Slime. Look at that pretty blue. That is pretty. You take this lid off first, and then the add-ins are under here. There's a little plastic tip. You gotta open up the slime. This is pretty. This slime is so pretty, guys. This is pretty. Oh my god, this is pretty. I'm going to show you guys how pretty it is when I get all this slime up here. Hey, look at this. Look how pretty this is. Let's take the slime out. Look at that. That is so pretty. Oh, it's more like a putty. I don't like slime. But look at that. That is so pretty. That is pretty. Ooh. Oh, look blue. But I'm going to keep the slime out for a minute. And I'm going to put the add-ins in there and then put the slime back. I don't want the slime to get dirty, so give me this. Put it in there for now, for a minute. And there's our add-ins. This is cool because you get add-ins, and they feel, you know, they kind of feel like little Oreos too. They don't tell you what they are. It just says add-ins. I got these at Myers if you guys want to come get them. If you live in Michigan, it's in Auburn Hills, Myers. Look at that, guys. I want to show you before I mix them in. Look at that. See them? So you get to make your own little creation. I think that's cool that you guys like it's. I've never seen this before until I went and seen it at my house. You see them pretty good too. Look at that. So it was just regular blue slime, and then you put your little add-ins in. I'm gonna put it right here for a minute. Okay, I got all the add-ins in, and I'm gonna fold it. So I was like, ooh, oh, why'd I do that? I'm gonna fold it so I can put all the add-ins in. Sorry guys, I got a little slime on my pants here. Okay. Oh, I'm throwing slime too. That's nasty. I don't need it all over my house. Okay, look. There is the slime with the add-ins, and it is so pretty. Look at that. And the add-ins, they stay in good. Really good. Okay. I'll give this slime a thumbs up because the add-ins, it does stay in really good. They stay in. Look at that, guys. How pretty that is. And you remember, it was blue. It looked real pretty without the add-ins. But look at that. All these pretty colored add-ins. You got blues and greens and oranges and yellows. It's real pretty. And it's awesome. Look at that. So you can see. I'm AMS. Oh, one fell out, but it's okay. When they fall out, you just stick them back in. But that is so pretty. I'm going to put it back in this container now. It's farting. And it comes in this cool container with this like mason jar lid. So it's real in there now. And it's real pretty. See, you can still see it with the add-ins. It's real pretty. Now this one has a lot of stars. So I'm going to pause this real quick now. Okay, now we're going to open this pink one with the stars. I went and got a plate so I could put the stars on there because I don't want it all over my house. I can't afford to get stars and stuff all over my house. But this one's pretty pink slime. And it already has the glitter in there. Okay, I'm going to open the slime. I thought something like this would be at Walmart, but this is awesome, guys. This is so pretty. And it's at Myers. I'm going to take all this slime off and put it on this plate for now. You don't want to waste no slime. Let's put it off the top here. And look at that, guys. Look how pretty. That is really pretty. So we're going to take it out. I'm going to show it to you. Look at that. How pretty. How pretty that is. Look at all the glitter. See all the... I'm hoping you can see this glitter on this camera. This video might not go up today, but at least I filmed it. See how pretty that is? It's gorgeous. Okay, now we're going to put the stars in. I'm going to flatten it out on this plate. I'm going to flatten it. I'll show you. All I'm doing is flatten it out so I can put the stars on. Make it look like a pizza. Okay, there we go. I have it flattened out. Now I'm going to open the stars. Oh, this one. No, I don't. Okay, this one will be a pain in the butt to take off. Okay. There we go. Got it. Stars are sticking to the lid too. There's our lid. Here is our stars. How pretty they are. Okay, we're going to pour some in. See, we're pouring them on. Okay, I'm going to stop for a minute. And we're going to mix them in. It sounds crunchy now. Ooh. It's alright, I got it. Well, these might fall out a little bit easier than the other things did. Collecting all the stars on the plate here. Look guys, look. And this ain't all the stars yet. Look at that. Look at how pretty that is. Okay, let's open it up again. Okay, open it up. I'm trying to put all these stars in here because I don't want none of this stuff left behind. I don't want it on my bed. I'm going to take this and scrape all the stars out. I might just get the putty and just put it in there. Get them out like that. Okay, I'm gonna crunch them in. I'm gonna show you guys as soon as I get all these stars in here. I want the camera to roll though, so yeah, I'm gonna pause the camera and I'll be back as soon as all these stars are in the putty. Okay guys, I got all the stars in the putty. Look at that. I'm gonna come a little closer because you guys can't see me. Nice little star there. Okay. I think I like that other one better because they stay in a lot easier. Look at that. Star putty. Star slime is so pretty. Look at that. All those